Everyone. Today is 28th of January, and whoa, 1 month has passed. 1 month into 2024 is going to pass. So we are just about a couple of more months away from Bitcoin halving, right, Mr. Richard? Hey, I can't hear you anything. I can't hear anything. Can anyone hear me? I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you this today live stream. Just now we discussed about the Bitcoin and how's the world happening. Yeah. Last live stream we also discussed about the Bitcoin spot. ETF have been approved, and now today, this morning, we discussed what's happening. Why the Bitcoin uh, 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 have the correction and have the um, have the uptrend for the last few week, last few days after the Bitcoin ETF have been approved. And we also want to discuss what's happening with the world right now to to let us know the potential of the cryptocurrency and the other coin. And Mr. Nicholas, I hear this morning we discussed about the uh, Donald Trump. He's have a lot of NFT collection and
Yes.
yeah. Um,
Okay. Okay.
how you feel about his thinking about the CBDC and
Okay, Donald
some
Trump,
yeah
basically, what happened is that last week he uh, shot up the CBDC controversy, yeah, to the front of all his campaign trail. Like, all of a sudden, he was at this one of those states. He said, "Oh, as your president," he said, "I will never allow." Maybe I should try to talk like him. I will never allow creation of central bank digital currency. All right. Anyway, uh, and he said, "Oh, CBDC is a dangerous threat to freedom." Okay, here the keyword here is freedom, right? So, and then he said, "I will stop it from coming to America." Right. The thing is about CBDC is that I believe all of us have, all of you listeners, by now you should have known a bit. CBDC is central bank digital currency. So central bank digital currency, the first word says central,
yeah
central. Yeah, so it means it has to be centrally controlled by the central government or the central bank. Yeah, or in US it's called the federal government or whatever, Federal Reserve, whatever. Yeah,
yeah
so central CBDC, and this is effectively giving the government digital control over consumer bank accounts, according to him. And and of course this has some implication on privacy and freedom. Yeah, so that's the idea that Donald Trump is putting up to the public. Yeah, so, and like you and I already know, CBDC is a form of programmable money. Of course, you probably use this as well. Yeah, so you can just program and whatever, manipulate and whatever. Yeah, so being having the nature of programmability, so the idea is that it could empower government to what micro target uh, stimulus package, yes, but it could also enable government to manipulate how people spend their money. Yeah, so this is the whole idea why part of the idea why Trump is against CBDC. Yeah, and you see, and to a tune that, oh yeah, you can just turn it off and turn it on whenever you need it for the CBDC. So the whole note here is that by going against or opposing CBDC, Donald Trump is basically trying to tap into the new younger group of people for support, and these are the Bitcoin voters. Yeah, people who young voters who owns Bitcoin, who are very much into cryptocurrency. And yeah, so because he's anti-CBDC, this technology that is against, because there's two sides to a coin, right? One is CBDC, which is centralized. The other one is decentralized, which is Bitcoin. So if you don't like one, you technically speaking, a lot of people will expect you to go for the other one, right? Yeah. So a lot of people are expecting him to go over to Bitcoin. So my question here is that will this affect Bitcoin price in the months to come? Yeah, this is my main concern when I touch on this topic, where I see, oh, Trump is against CBDC. Ah, right, okay, thank you in a way, Yeah, but then you look at the statistic. I think Coinbase have a stats that 52 million Americans own digital assets. Yeah, so 52 million is like how many percent of 300 million? Anyway,
What
it's quite a fair bit, large number. Yeah. So and these people who owns digital assets in America, they tend to be much younger, and have different and spread across different ethnic groups as well. Yeah. So this will definitely help the old man. His he and Anyway, he and Biden both are old men.
yeah
At least he is like much more awake and clearer in mind than Joe Biden. But the
yeah
thing is, yeah,
yeah, Mr. Nicholas, just carry on.
yeah. So 52 million is just a number, but the idea here is that Trump is gaining access to millions and millions of new voters with the help of possibly the help of Bitcoin. Yeah. So
Yeah,
I wonder, this is just a questions thrown out in open. I wonder how will this affect the price? Maybe the price of BTC. There could be a spike in demand in the months to come. What do you think?
yeah. I also think we have the same agreement with Donald Trump when he support the crypto, not the CBDC. Yeah. We also know that last time Donald Trump is one of the president don't support the crypto,
Yeah,
and now after he after change the president, his have the NFT collection coming out, and after that we saw he's the one who support the crypto much, and he with his NFT collection, he's earned a few $1 million based on the sale of the NFT of him. Yeah, it's it's good to see more and more people nowadays um, know more about the crypto and slowly support the cryptocurrency. Yeah, um, we see a lot of people criticize Bitcoin crypto. Yeah, and now we after that he turning to show the supporting for the crypto. Why? Because they can see the profits, the potential of the crypto. Uh, some people always say that there's no friend and enemy forever, just the profits forever. Yeah, because with the profits, he turned back to the to be friend with cryptocurrency. Yeah, and the next slide we uh, Mr. Nicholas. So you want to say something about
yeah,
UK and
right.
uh, yeah,
So we all know that UK and US are quite kind
yeah,
of good friends in a way, but
yeah, yeah,
maybe perhaps because of what Trump is trying to push right now. Maybe because of that, Bank of England say, "Oh, now Bitcoin is not ready yet. We are still."
yeah,
I believe they are halfway there or three-quarter way there. It's just a matter of time where they want to make it more official, or rather officially launch it or something. But right now, politically speaking, I think it is wiser for them to stay put and watch first. Yeah. So of course they'll say something like, "Oh, we make sure that we can design a digital pound that will work for you before any decision is made, whatever." So again, here is the privacy concern. So Britain says the digital pound would be private but not anonymous, unlike cash.
Yeah.
Yeah, private and not anonymous. So how private is private? Not too sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So despite many businesses in UK now not accepting cash, basically a lot of businesses in UK, actually more than just UK, I think a lot of businesses all over the world, they are accepting less and less cash. They are going into more and more digital transaction, you know. Yeah. So uh, digital pound, that this particular policy paper, they say digital pound would not replace cash, so the public will continue to have access to an anonymous payment. So who are the people who always have to and definitely need to use anonymous payment is those who do illegal things.
No, but I don't think, UK they have say the two side conflict. One is
Yeah,
it is private and not um anonymous. Yeah, we also don't
yeah,
think that if you want the private is is also anonymous. Yeah, it's can
yeah,
protect
that's right.
the resident. Yeah, and
How are they to convince the user that it is
yeah,
private and not anonymous? I wonder.
yeah. And then let's see how the UK they want, how they can how they can develop their CBDC. Yeah, and I also hope that they can have the new framework for the to control of the cryptocurrency in the near future. Um, and now continue. I also want to share to all of you with
Mm,
the some of the um, this the privacy currency Monero, and one of the country in Finland. Yeah, Finland. The Finnish authority they say that they report that the Monero transaction is a high-profile hacking case. Yeah, some of the hacker they when they got some still cryptocurrency, they change to the Monero and they switch back to the Bitcoin or the other currency. So the Finnish authority they do the research and find it. In this article, they say that the vulnerable in the major cybercrime case involved in the ransom demand. Yeah, and suspects Julius Kivimas used Monero to hide the Bitcoin transaction. Yeah, um, when we say something about the CBDC in UK, we also see that with the privacy cryptocurrency, some hacker they may use the privacy data to do some illegal thing, and this may bring the disadvantage for the cryptocurrency. That's why nowadays many privacy cryptocurrency is having they say that it's have been banned from some of their chains because they worry about the concern of the hacking and tracing. That's why the Xeonbit is one of the privacy. We also thinking that it will take so long for some people to adapt because the privacy concern some of their chains may not allow it. because they don't want, they worry to involve in it. Yeah, that's the reason why. And the next one we discuss about recently, why the why the Bitcoin recover and is have the correction after the Bitcoin spot ETF has been approved and it's go from the 48,000, it's go down to 40,000. We also know that it's going down because uh, the BlackRock, one of the uh, largest Bitcoin spot ETF fund, they sell out. They they have been sold a lot of their Bitcoin in the bond in the fund. Yeah, and now it's slowed down because they don't work. They sold less than previously. Yeah, we also hear there are some major reason bring the Bitcoin go up. Uh, a few days ago, we see the Bitcoin is below 40,000. A lot of people expected, oh, it may go down to 30,000, and there's a vote uh, to see how community they say that if the price could hit 50,000 or could go down to 30,000 first, which target will hit first. Uh, More than half people they vote that they think that it may go more than 50,000 first, not 30,000. And there's so many reasons. Yeah, with some of the reason, we also see that the macroeconomy factor to contribute the recent Bitcoin go up. We see the BCE, personal income expenditure price index, is going up. Yeah, and it make the Federal Reserve will likely to reduce the uh, aggressive monetary policy this day. Yeah, and we hope that within this year, within this summer, the Fed will reduce the the interest rate, and after reduce, of course, we will see the money supply will go into the market, and the price of the crypto and all the thing will go up. Yeah, and in the meanwhile, we see the U.S. Treasury. They say that the country have hit the all-time debt is about 34.1 trillion. Yeah, while spreads of looming crash on the U.S. dollar, a lot of money go into the market, and we see the Bitcoin price still potential. Yeah, we see the bitter sweep. Oh, we also can see the bitter sweep predict the crash on the U.S. dollar and the writer of the Rich Dad and Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. He he also tell everyone to invest in Bitcoin to avoid becoming poor due to the government actions. Yeah, and another factor belief that contribute the Bitcoin price go up is the deplete the crypto one to point out that the derivative market responsible for the Bitcoin recent decline. Yeah, we see the Bitcoin price jump after the downtrend. After Bitcoin go below 40,000, now it's go to 42,000. Yeah. Another reason that the GBTC outflow slow for the fourth consecutive day. Yeah. After Bitcoin spot ETF, the Grayscale, or just now I also mentioned about the Grayscale, not the BlackRock. The Grayscale GBTC, one of the company hold a large amount of the Bitcoin. They keep selling Bitcoin during the opening day of the Bitcoin spot ETF. Yeah, uh, they have been. We also seen the outflow is around in the 4 day. Each day is 515 million, 429 million, 394 million on the January 23rd, 24th, 25th. And we also can see um, the the sell out reducing. Yeah, and now I think that they scared they don't have enough Bitcoin to sell, so they keep accumulating back again. Um, uh, at the at this time, the price of the Bitcoin is around 42 to 42,100, and this is the chart compare one day. Yeah, we see now the price go up a lot of green color. Yeah, it's so nice color now. If we compare with 1 hour ago, of course it's red, but if we compare one day and 1 week we see the green color. Yeah, green color. Next one, let me see one number. Okay, and back to our slides. In our slide we have the we also see the Coinbase and the SEC have the legal battle. Yeah, they're fighting each other to that means uh, the Coinbase they have a lawsuit with SEC because they say the lawsuit because they say SEC don't have the regulation on the crypto and always keep delay and make hard for all of the cryptocurrency company, and now they have a lawsuit. And let's go to see more detail about this. Um, this is a legal battle between the Coinbase and SEC. Um, in the recent interview with the Yahoo Finance, um, we see the Owen Law is one of the people from Coinbase. He point out that there's still a regulatory overhang. We still don't have clear regulation in the U.S. right now. Yeah, that is the reason why there's a lawsuit between the Coinbase with the SEC. Yeah, optimism regarding Coinbase lawsuit outcome. It may affect the the Coinbase stock price. Yeah, and we see uh, the with the battle with the SEC, the Coinbase stock price nearly 28%. Yeah, and make a lot of people concerned about the price of the stock in Coinbase, and the Coinbase stock also synchronized together with the Bitcoin price because Coinbase is the IPO company. It's it's a it's a company in the U.S. stock market, and then when the Bitcoin spot ETF open have been approved by SEC. 11 financial institutions because spot ETF fund they use Coinbase major most of them they use Coinbase as the company to keep the Bitcoin for them, so that the Coinbase now is stronger and stronger in US because they're the company to hold a large amount of Bitcoin in the near future too. Yeah, if we compare with Binance, Coinbase still in the number 4 based on the coin market cap data. Yeah, let's see coin market cap data. We see the exchange um, with the spot exchange. we also see the cost base now the number 2 with the spot, but with the derivative exchange, the cost base is in the, where's the cost base now? The cost base, yeah, in the number 61, yeah, with the other derivative, and with the DEX, of course, DEX don't have the cost base. With the lending and the other thing, we have a different exchange. But in the spot exchange, the cost base exchange now in the number 2, yeah, uh, after finance, yeah, we see this is coin market cap data is all, is have all the data of the cryptocurrency at this moment. Yeah, we also see our old friend, the Jamie Dimon is one of the one of the guys. He always criticize Bitcoin and cryptocurrency last time, but up but we see when he criticize Bitcoin, his son keep buying Bitcoin. Yeah, that's is one of the funny thing. And now this time he warning that the U.S. Economy may go down, and he's a little bit support for Bitcoin and crypto. Yeah, and Bitcoin Jamie Dimon, and we see more detail about the article of him. He warning that the U.S. economy may go down because of the national debt was around 35% of the GDP. Yeah, and he said that the GDP ratio is now above 100% with projection to hit the 130 by 2035. Yeah, by the way, because the foreigner owns 7 trillion of the US government debt, there will be the rebellion. That's the worst possible way to do it. Yeah, and the U.S. economy had not notably not recovered fully from the pain of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the Fed went on increasing interest rate, but now slowing down the pace. I also have the same thinking with Jenny Dimon when he warned that the U.S. economy going to in the crisis. Yeah, it's hard for economy. That's why the Fed they keep still hanging the interest rate. Yeah, they don't want to decrease the rate immediately, and they need to see how the market, how's the economy now. So I also hope that uh, in the near future, yeah, Bitcoin is, of course, Bitcoin will go up, but it may take time, and we have 100 less than 100 days to the Bitcoin halving, and with the Bitcoin halving, the that means the green candle, yeah, the magic one will happening, and we also see the Bitcoin price may have a different change. Yeah, we hope that and now we see the fear and risk index now 55. Yeah, 55 is a good last before the Bitcoin spot ETF have been approved beginning of this month. The risk index around 70. Yeah, now around 55, and also is a chance for us to the BCA keep buying more and more crypto at this moment. Yeah, when the price still low, and we hope the price go up in near future. I think that it's also time for us to complete our live stream this morning, and hope to see you in our next live stream. Mr. Nicholas,
All right, thank you, Mr. Richard, for covering so much. We hope you guys enjoy the session, and we will see you in our next live stream. Do remember to do your own research when it comes to new coins, new tokens that you plan to invest. Whatever we covered here are information to help us understand today's market better and how the market moves. So we are not giving advices, but we just hope that you make some money based on your own decision and all. We see you in our next session. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.